So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instruction for beginners. So let's begin. If you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And also guys, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you, a free giveaway. So stay till the end. So let's create a website. So first things first, why do we need a website, guys? We need a website for our business. Okay, you can make money out of it. For me, for example, I have my website so I can showcase my skills and I can get paid for it. So now the first thing for web hosting is you need web hosting. Okay, for your website you need web hosting. So for me, Bluehost is the best web hosting. I have a 70% discount. The link is in the description. They give you free domain, they give you free SSL. It's very easy to install the website, and the website does not require any coding, no HTML. It's very simple to use. So the first things first, you need to just get started. 70% discount, link in the description. Just select, I would always select the choice, and then I would put my domain. So I've already purchased the domain, but for you it would be, for me it's gonna be Yavar Khan and something like this, and then I'm gonna click next and then fill in your information, and I would just select 12 months. I would say the Bluehost SEO start pack, and just fill in your subscription. And then once you get an email, all you have to do is just click on login. Okay, and then just log into your account. And once you're into your account, it's very simple to create a website. I'm just gonna show it to you. It's just one-click installation. So just come on your sites. As you could see, there are a lot of sites. I just create a site. So basically all you have to do is come on my sites. Okay, so I already have my websites, but then for you it's gonna be blank. So you just have to create your site, put in your site name. So for me it's gonna be test1. Okay, I'm gonna be test2. Then I'm gonna put my tagline, how to build a website, how to build a website. This is my tagline. Okay, and then just click next. I wouldn't suggest installing all of these. For you, you need to select your domain. Yavar, for me it's yavarkhan.com. You need to select your domain, but for me I would create one more directory because already I have created my website. So you just have to select your domain and click next. And guys, congratulations, this is how you create your first WordPress website. It's very easy, guys, and this is it, guys. That's it. Within 1 minute you have created your own website. And imagine, you could create website for others, you could create so many websites, and you can make a lot of money. And I'm gonna show it to you. I have a lot of videos where I show you how you could make passive money just by selling websites as well. So yeah, so anyways, as you could see right now, the website is done. And voila, guys, if you go on the website currently, so first congratulate yourself. This is how our website looks. But hold on a second, if I go on incognito, currently to the world, our website is like this because our website is not ready. It's powered by Bluehost, it says. So to change that, come on your dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is the back end and this is the front end, right? First things first, you need to publish your website. I always do this thing because it's much better to do it in the beginning. Launch your site. Your site is live right now. The next thing is go to settings, general. Go on, change your site title, and it's a free SSL. So for me, I get the HTTPS. You see the padlock. So yeah, I don't have to worry about that. So the second important thing is from the plain name. So just gonna show it to you. So currently right now our hello world says p1 is equal to something like this. We don't want that. We want the post name. The reason for that is for Google and SEO purpose. We need to target our keywords and we need to show it over here on the URL. So I've just changed the setting. I'm just gonna click on refresh. Now you could see it's hello world. So that's changed. Now our website looks really weird. Okay, website looks really weird. doesn't have any design, so we are going to install a theme. So currently right now we are going to install a free theme. Okay, all you have to do is come on appearance. Appearance is basically how your website looks. Click on themes, click on add new. Okay, once you're in your add new, just click Astra. Okay, why? The reason we are choosing Astra, because it's free and it's very easy, and there's a lot of tutorials on the internet as well, so it's gonna be really easy if you find some trouble in it. But for me, Astra is the best. Click on activate. Once it's activated, click over here. Okay, once it's activated, if I just refresh my site right now, woohoo guys, again you have changed your website. Congratulations to yourself, a pat on the back. Now all you have to do is click on Astra options, and then just click on install importer plugin. Very easy. Appearance, Astra options, and then just click on install importer plugin. Once this is done guys, it's activating. Now it's a builder, so basically it's a plugin, so we are going to choose Elementor. It's a drag and drop builder, so which doesn't require any coding to design your website. So just click next. Once this is done, now if you see agency, that means it's a paid template, and whatever you don't see agency, it's free. So for me, in the beginning, always there's a rule for me in my business: start something for free, okay, and then once you start earning money, then you can purchase the paid themes. So I'm gonna do this one. For me, I really like this one, because let's say you're an accountant, or you're a photographer, or you're a designer, this website looks really cool. So what am I gonna do is, see, I'm just gonna import site. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take 2 to 10 minutes depending on your internet speed. And for Bluehost, trust me guys, Bluehost is the best web hosting because it's really fast. The faster your website, it's much more easier for Google to rank it on the first page of Google, just because it's faster, it's easier, doesn't take time to load, and people around the world can access it. So I'm just gonna pause the video for like 2 minutes. Almost it's done, so I don't even have to pause the video. And then view website, view site. Congratulations guys, again you have changed your website. Now you might be thinking, how do I change this? Very easy guys, just click edit with Elementor. Just gonna click over here. So for me, I'm a web designer. Just click here, it's a drag and drop builder. Just try web designer. It's very easy indeed. Okay, you can change the style, the color. I'm gonna do green. You can just make anything. Okay, and then I'm just gonna type Yavar, KHAN. Okay, I'm just gonna update and preview changes, and see, Yavar Khan looks so good, right? You can just drag drop. If I want to change this image style, I'm gonna change this image. I'm gonna upload my image. Just click change image, choose image. I'm gonna upload from my files. So just gonna go on my folder right now, thumbnails, and then just gonna choose this one. So now this is done. Look at me guys, woo, they look so cool. So I'm just gonna save it, and also the logo guys. So if you all don't know, I've created a video on how to create a logo for free. Okay, just go and watch this one or this one. You can create logos, you can sell logos for free, or pay ask someone to pay you for the logo. It's really easy. So I'm a web designer, so what I can do is I create beautiful, you can say I create beautiful website. Websites. This is an update. And guys, this is how you create a really amazing website. What I'll do is how to build I can just copy this just over here, come over here. This is gonna be my thumbnail, how to build a website. Okay, and it's really easy. You can create your own websites, you can do anything. If I click over here, if I click on styles or click on advanced, I can just put this on the top, push them, do anything which I want. So it's really easy, guys. This is how you create a website, and if you want to delete something, you can just click delete over here. It's really easy. Just click over here, delete. Everything is deleted. If I want to go back, Control Z. It's right click installation, just right click, delete. So this is how you create your first website, and I hope you really like this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please subscribe. And the bonus I told you, so I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, and also I tell you how you can make passive money from creating websites. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.